Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm working on replacing this garbage right here. Let's get started. Alright guys, so when we went to No Name Nationals the last time, I had deleted a lot of things. I'd done like this cowl delete and this tubular front end conversion, yada yada yada. One of the things that I deleted was cruise control, and when I did that, this line didn't really work properly because it was designed to go from the pedal to the cruise control device, and then there was another line that went, or cable, that went from the cruise control device over to the throttle body. So as you can see, with the zip ties and the clamps and...
The clamps! Right?
that I modified this so it would work. This was a really quick last second decision because I didn't really have enough time to order one and wait for it to come in. This car was done last second to go to No Name Nationals. But now I've got some more time. I bought a new one. Let's get the new one installed. I'm going to show you how to do it right here. All right, so like I said, got the new one here. Let's get it out of the package. Wow. They really went above and beyond on packaging here. Okay, it's only been 2 days later, but I finally got the packaging open. So here you go. Here's what we are looking at. Now, when you get this kit, you'll notice that the two ends look completely different. This end with the little squeeze tabs that you see right there, this is what's going to be inserted through the firewall, and this will be what connects to your throttle cable, throttle pedal. This is the side that will connect to your throttle body. So let's go ahead and get this connected to the throttle body first, and then we'll route it the way we need to route it, push this through the firewall, and then get this connected to our pedal. All right, so I will probably route this underneath here if I can. Maybe. It's really not a big deal. So let's go ahead and get this set up. All right, now this connector here has two different slots. It looks like this will go in the slot that is closest to the intake here. There we go. So now that is clipped in. So now we need to get this hooked up to our throttle blade here. Now, a lot of these throttle blades will have two different positions, so that way you've kind of got a little bit more adjustability depending on how long the cable is. We'll probably just go on this first one to see, and then we want to make sure that when you push the pedal all the way down, that it opens the throttle body all the way up. So if it doesn't open it all the way up, it doesn't have enough travel, then we'll move it and we'll put it down in this lower slot. So what you want to do is you'll just kind of bend your cable around, slide that in there, bring it back up like so. Now we need to push this through the firewall. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is right there. Here's your brake booster, and right there, yeah, right there is the hole that will go through. So we'll go ahead and get that put in place. And just like that, that is done. Wow. That pushed in like really easily. So good deal for that. Now let's go into the car. All right, now as you can see, this has came through. So you'll need to lift your pedal up. So that way you can slide this over it here. All right, so now we have that connected. That was super easy as well. we need to make sure that this, when the pedal's all the way down, that we are getting full open on the throttle body. Okay, do you see the throttle?
Yeah.
Down there, the gas pedal?
And that one right there?
Yep, that one right there, yeah. I need you to press it all the way to the floor.
Okay,
Can you press it? Is that as far as it goes?
Yep.
All right, let it back up.
Okay.
Now, when I tell you to, press it again, okay? I got my little helper here. He's going to press the throttle for me so we can make sure that that throttle body is opening all the way up. All right, Gunner, go ahead.
Okay.
Perfect. Down. Back up. Yep, as we can see, that is opening all the way. Thank you, Gunner.
Can I do it again?
Yeah, one more time. All right, guys, and that's it. Throttle cable install, super simple. So now the only thing I need to do is kind of tuck that wire in a little better, maybe run some zip ties or something like that to get it all situated where it's nice and clean and neat and installed. And that's it. We now have a proper functioning throttle cable that's not going to get us kicked out of tech inspection like the previous one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned because the next episode, if you've watched the previous episodes, you'll know that we got the car fired up. So now I need to put the exhaust back on it and top the coolant and stuff off. That way we can get the O2 sensor put in and get a bass tune put on it so we can get it to the dyno. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Project Reaper thanks you also for your love and support. Catch you guys later. Thanks. Oh, here you guys. Gunner wanted to show you his awesome bike and his cool helmet. And what else was you going to show him?
I'm going to show him how good I ride it.
Yeah, give me a flyby. Yeah.
TRP.